What is selection? Selection is the process of picking or choosing the right candidate who is the most suitable for the vacant job position in an organization. In other words, selection can be explained as the process of the interviewing the candidate and evaluating their qualities, which are required for the specific job, and then choosing the suitable candidate for the position. The selection of the right application for a vacant position will be an asset to the organization or the company, which will be helping the organization to reaching its objective. A good selection will ensure the organization get the right set of the employees with the right attitude. Selection is the important process because hiring good resource can help the increase of the performance for the organization. In contrast, if there is bad hire with bad selection process, then the work will be affected and the cost incurred for the replacing that the bad resource will be high.
I will talk about the selection process. The first is preliminary interview, which is also called screening interview, to screen and eliminate the candidate who do not meet the minimum eligibility for the organization. Next is in the receiving application, which is candidate need to fill application form in the prescribed format. Then the application form will be screened by the screening committee to find a suitable candidate to be interviewed. Next is employment test, which conducted for candidate to gain more insight on them. Next is checking reference, which is to provide the employer with suitable cross-check the authenticity the information provided by the suitable employee. Next, also medical examination, which help physical and mental fitness of the candidate to make sure he or she is capable of performing the job. Finally, the final selection, the candidate who qualifies all the round of selection is given the appointment letter to join the firm. Thank you.
Next, positive effect towards organizational. To attract an effective and talented workplace. Firstly, create more learning opportunities. One of the common reasons employees pack their bags is the lack of career advancement opportunities. Therefore, ensure that your company provide continuous learning programs such as training workshops and networking. Next point is make it personal. Recognizing individual needs in your talent management strategy is also a key factor in employee retention. By identifying individual goals, strengths and weaknesses, you will be able to nurture talents or address problem areas even before they become unmanageable. Lastly, train your management staff. It is important that your company leaders are properly trained on how to successfully manage their teams, as good as their managers can have a big impact on employee.
How does selection can give positive effects towards an organization? Of course, by hiring the right workers. Hiring the right workers will ensure that the company hire a proper workers at majority of time. This will decreasing the number of visibly underqualified or overqualified of job applicants. Of course, managing the people in company takes time, but dealing with a poor performance employee can take up to 70% more time than a good performance member of your workforce. When you hire the right people, you can focus on running your business rather than worry about whether employees are getting the job done and done right the first time.